Pre-sales have been taking over the meme market this bull run. If you liked Dogeverse, you're gonna absolutely love this next beast of a gem that we're covering today. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at a pre-sale gem called Base DAWGZ that is taking the internet by storm. This is Top Gun style theme meme coin that has a bunch of relevant meme coins in the mix. Before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. And like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. What is Base DAWGZ? Base DAWGZ is a utility meme token that is taken off by storm. The pre-sale, we can see in 6 days, is going to raise their price. So if you want to get in the absolute lowest price, now's your time to buy. They've raised $1.7 million, and you can buy it on Base, ETH, BNB, AVAX, and Solana, which is very easy. Also, this project is different from others in a sense that they have a referral program. So after you buy some tokens, copy and paste a link, and you get 10% paid back in USDT for every time you refer a friend or shill it to a community. They also have a shilling airdrop that we're going to cover in this video. This project is absolutely insane. So what is this project? So designed for those who crave adventure and innovation, Base DAWGZ is bringing you a unique multi-chain experience at the home on the Base chain. DAWGZ will be traded on ETH, Sol, BSC, AVAX. We're not just about pushing boundaries, it's about breaking them. We offer seamless interoperability across multiple blockchains, ensuring you can soar through the decentralized world without limits. Join us on this high octane journey as we refine what's possible. Come chase Nirvana with the Base DAWGZ. And we see we got the Chad token, we got the pumpkin, we got the handsome Squidward. The memes are in full effect. We got Tokenomics, based on Tokenomics. Its main landing zone is on the Base chain, which is a real gripper. Its abilities to leap across different blockchains, making it multi-chain. Remember, earlier in the video, I compared it to Dogeverse. Similarly, multi-chain, and we're seeing Dogeverse was the first to make make it like a trend, I want to say, and other coins are following, and hopefully it will succeed as well. Pre-sale 20%, staking 20%, liquidity 20%, marketing 15%, Base DAWGZ reward 15%, and 10% to liquidity. They have a solid 4-phase, you could call it roadmap. They're calling it their Bungie roadmap. So the base and grab, which is a socials, website, contracts, pre-sale, yada. The milk run, contract audit, community growth, marketing begins, growing socials, scramble, their decentralized exchange listings, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Bird's Eye, and then the curve, community rewards, marketing continues, centralized exchange listings, and further development for the future. Okay, now remember I was telling you guys about the social airdrop. Here's a social airdrop. Jump into the action with the airdrop campaign to reward creativity as social engagement. So here's how it works. Create an X account, then share and create memes and other content about Base DAWGZ. Each piece of content earns you points, and once the pre-sale is complete, you can redeem these points for DAWGZ token. It's a fun way to reward the community to help market Base DAWGZ project. You could join the community and get into the action, right? Be creative, spread the word, and earn yourself a share of DAWGZ. So between the referral links and now airdrop for being social, this is a massive way for you to be a part of the community and also for you to be rewarded to shill this project, which is absolutely insane. Something very unique that yes, other projects have, but this one was able to just make it so straightforward. How to buy type, guys, we don't need to go to detail, it's just how to buy. You can stop here or go to the website, FAQ tab, that's the website. Now they're also on Telegram, guys, with over 2,000 subscribers, which is not bad. For less than a month of the project being launched, they're growing the community rapidly fast. We come over on X and we can see they have 3.5K followers, which again, in the past couple of weeks, remember, they only joined in May, right? And it's early or mid-June right now, so they are growing at a decent rate. Multi-chain adventure on Base, ETH, Sol, BSC, AVAX, right? We can see they're relatively active. They're posting, they're keeping the community engaged. And the more they post, the more memes they post, the bigger yet. At this point, guys, I think this is a sleeping giant, right? First of all, they're in the first seed round. In 6 days, they're going to raise the next price, right? Once they get enough capital raised and they can deploy it in the marketing efforts and people start shilling into communities, they start using their referral program, this one could absolutely blow. We can even see the roadmap, sorry, not the roadmap, the white paper. So the abstracts in here, the introduction, the vision, right? What's the vision for the project is to refine what's possible, advance in blockchain technology. Base DAWGZ aims to create a decentralized platform that offers users freedom to explore, interact, transact across multiple different blockchains seamlessly. More into the pre-sale, the roadmap, which we covered, but it's just a bit more in depth and going each phase. The tokenomics, which we covered, the technology. Remember, they're using advanced blockchain technology, making it able for you to use it on multi-chain, which is insane. The wormhole is a decentralized, universal process in the blockchain ecosystem, enabling users to move assets seamlessly across the blockchains. Then the portal bridge is security. They have everything here in the white paper, guys, that you can see accessible to the public on their website, and it's pretty damn cool. I think between the referral program and the airdrop program, this is going to garner so much attention, grow so much organically, and we've seen these organically growing communities tend to do the absolute best. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know what you guys are feeling about base stocks in the comment section below. Do you think it's going to blow up like we saw Dogeverse blow up? Raise $15 million in their pre-sale alone, let alone going out into centralized market and raising even more money there. And there's so much potential for this project. But again, not financial advice. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. That's the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.